Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.